Chapter 4. Card Spreads. Tarot Guidebook. 78 Card Deck Guidebook. Basic 3-card spread. One of the most common and versatile spreads is the 3-card spread. The 3-card spread consists of 3 cards laid out in a row from left to right. Each card represents a different aspect of the situation or question being asked. Here is a basic breakdown of how to interpret the 3-card spread. The first card represents the past. This card gives insight into the events or influences that have led up to the current situation. It can also reveal any patterns or themes that have emerged in the past that may be affecting the present. The second card represents the present. This card gives insight into the current situation and any challenges or opportunities that may be present. It can also reveal any emotions or attitudes that may be affecting our perspective. The third card represents the future. This card gives insight into the potential outcome of the situation, as well as any potential challenges or opportunities that may arise. It can also reveal any guidance or advice for moving forward. Here is an example of how to interpret a 3-card spread. Question: what can I do to improve my relationship with my partner? Card 1. Past. The 9 of Swords. This card suggests that there may have been a lot of anxiety and worry in the past that has affected the relationship. There may have been a lot of negative self-talk and doubts that have led to a lack of trust and communication. Card 2. Present. The 2 of Cups. This card suggests that there is a strong emotional connection and a sense of partnership in the current situation. There may be a need for more communication and a deeper understanding of each other's needs and desires. Card 3. Future. The Empress. This card suggests that there is potential for growth and abundance in the future of the relationship. There may be a need to nurture and care for each other, as well as a need to embrace creativity and new experiences together. Overall, this spread suggests that there may have been past anxieties and doubts that have affected the relationship, but that there is currently a strong emotional connection that can be nurtured and developed. The future of the relationship looks promising, with the potential for growth and abundance if both partners are willing to communicate and care for each other. Basic 3-card spread example. Questions: what is the current situation I need to be aware of? What are the opportunities that are available to me right now? What are the potential obstacles that I need to overcome? What is the root cause of my current challenge? What is the best course of action for me to take at this time? What do I need to focus on in order to achieve my goals? What can I learn from my past experiences? What can I do to improve my current situation? What is the likely outcome of my current path? What should I let go of in order to move forward? What do I need to know about my current relationship? What is the lesson that I need to learn from my current situation? What is blocking me from achieving my desired outcome? What is the best approach for me to take in this situation? What is the potential outcome if I continue on my current path? What is the key to finding inner peace and contentment? What do I need to do to better connect with my intuition? What is the most important message I need to hear right now? What is the underlying emotion that needs to be addressed in my current challenge?